Hello students, good evening to all of you. Today we will study the question number 28 which was asked in the CBSE board 2024. This is the statement: so that the time required for 99.9% completion in a first order reaction is 10 times of the half-life of the reaction. Log values are given. Let's see. Now we will see the solution of this question. See answer number 28. So here, as we know that t equal to 2.303 upon k log of A0 upon A, concentration of A. This is the where A0 is the initial concentration and A is the final concentration. Let A0 equal to 100 because 99.9% it is said in the question. So you can let A0 equal to 100 at T equal to T99.9. Concentration of A, the initial concentration is 100. So at time t equal to 99.99, then what will be the concentration of A, that is the final concentration will remain. So final concentration will be, that is 100 minus 99.9, that is what is concentration. Get 0.1. This will be the value. Now, as we know that for put these values in the equation, let the equation 1 t equal to T99.9 2.303 upon k log of A0 values, that is the 100 upon 0.1. So T99.9 equal to 2.303 upon k log 100. So it will be the T or upon k. As you know that log 10 equal to 1, so it will be the 3 only and 1. So T99.9 equal to 6.909 upon k. This is the question second. But as we know T half for first order equal to 0.693 upon k. This is the third equation. So here we will take the equation as k equal to 0.693 upon t half. So put the value of k in the equation version. Put value of k from equation 4 to equation second इस इक्वेशन से 4 से हम सेकंड में रखेंगे, सेकंड इक्वेशन में रखेंगे। इस 4 से इक्वेशन कहाँ रख, फोर्थ इक्वेशन की वैल्यू k की वैल्यू कहाँ रखेंगे, सेकंड इक्वेशन में रखेंगे। सो इट विल बी द T99.9 इक्वल टू सेकंड इक्वेशन सी 6.909 अपॉन k इज गिवन 0.693 अपॉन t हाफ. So it will be, see the solution, T99.9 equal to 6.909 upon 1 upon 693 upon k, that is upon t half, sorry, upon t half, because we put the value of k na, that's why t half 99.9 6.909 t half upon 0.693. So when you are going to divide by this, you will get approximate T 99.9 equal to 10 times t half. So this will be the value. So final will be the answer. This will be the value will come. So hope you got the answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.